I'm Neil Flint. I'm the 5-axis programmer on the DMG Mori. The challenges we used to face were a lot of guys were waiting for the programmers to help them, support them in getting their work through. Sitting on the Fusion seat, I don't need to go to an offline program anymore. I do it all myself on the machine with the software that I've got.
Our core business revolves around the design and manufacture, work holding, precision machining, make to print, and we also do have a range of sell-through products. 12 months or so ago, we were lucky enough to win a big order, which was on a very tight time scale. CAD/CAM and the offline program was normally done by team leaders, who, with this order, were more empowered to do the managing side of the work, so we had to filter down the offline programming to the guys on the duckboard.
Since using Fusion, spindle times increased massively. Being done offline, waiting, because there's several machines in the queue. Machine could be sitting there. Now I'm doing it myself. Spindles are moving quicker, parts are coming off quicker. I get left to my own devices. The part comes in, lump of steel. I program it, I watch it go through to the end, get it to inspection, get the thumbs up from inspection, it's all working okay. So yes, Fusion, brilliant. I'm not relying on other people. I do the job myself.
One of the things that I do love about the machining extension is the fact that we can take a program that was several hours to actually put into a machine and reduce that down to several minutes, and the chance for mistakes has been reduced as much as possible.
With the components I've been given to manufacture at the moment, I've just been doing a lot of 3+2 manufacturing. If I wanted to program the job on the table in Siemens shop mill, it's way over a day's programming for me, on the machine, on the control. Sitting on the Fusion seat, I don't need to go to an offline program anymore. Do it all myself, probably a quarter of that time, even less. It's quick. But I'm hoping now that Brown & Holmes are seeing the capability of Fusion, they're going to start looking for more work, to utilise the machine and the software a lot better.
We subscribed to the machining extension with the Fusion 360 about 12 months ago now. We had the DMG Mori 5-axis on site for a few years prior to that, but obviously we were looking to utilise it to its better advantage, and the machining extension gives us full 5-axis on that machine.
It's created more pride in work, and that upskilling of the guys on the shop floor has given them more motivation, given them more want to further themselves and to work for the business.
So in summary, since having the Autodesk Fusion 360 on site and being utilised, we've doubled turnover. NCR reporting has reduced by 34%. The costs incurred by those NCRs has also reduced similarly, and yeah, in hindsight, I wish I'd have bought Autodesk Fusion 360 sooner.